You can get paid really fast with this free source that I'll share with you today. It is absolutely free and works worldwide for anyone that wants to join. You can even be a total beginner who have never made money online before and still get the desired results if you keep watching step by step until the end of this tutorial. Just before we start, I want to remind that if you haven't already and you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get updated whenever I upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online. So if you love this type of content, just give a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about this strategy. Without any further ado, I'm going to start with this video so I can show you everything. Let's proceed with the first step for today, which is to come over to the first platform. This is called Ember SMM World Panel, and it's over at embersmmworldpanel.com. So this is a platform where you can boost your social media marketing. So if you want to grow your social media following, your subscribers, your views and so on, you can come over to here and pay really cheap in order to get that service. So it is a cheap SMM and SEO service. It is fast, reliable, secure, and they offer the world's best quality and cheap automatic social media servicing. So if you scroll down, you can of course check out some of the features that this platform offers. You're going to see that an order is made every 0.12 seconds. They have completed more than 8,000 of orders, and prices are starting from really cheap, as you can notice. So they offer a lot of services for YouTube, Spotify, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and you're going to also see that there are some other platforms that they offer services to. You're going to see over here that they explain why social media is very effective nowadays. So this means that there are a lot of people that want to grow on their social media platforms. So I want to clarify something, that you are not here in order to grow your social media platforms. You are not going to spend any money at all. You are here in order to take advantage of another feature that this platform offers, and that I'm going to show you that in a minute. So don't worry, because we are going to make money in passive income today. If you scroll down, you're going to see some other features that this platform offers. They are going to be relevant to us later, and you're going to see why. So they offer full control. Also, you can refill or cancel anytime. They are very easy and safe to use, and also they offer 24/7 support for their clients. So what I want you to do is to just come over to this platform, and then you need to click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. In the next page, you're going to put a username, a first name, a last name, an email address, your Skype username here, the password, confirm the password, and then you need to agree that you're not a robot by completing this captcha. Just click on the sign up button here, and then you'll be able to just get access to your dashboard, and this is how it's going to look like. Here you're going to see that you can place a new order. You're going to see that they offer a lot of categories, from YouTube watch time, YouTube subscribers, YouTube likes, shares, favorites, comments, auto growth. You have Instagram followers, comments, likes, views, impressions, and so on, and also some other platforms as well that you can notice down here. Also, they offer a lot of services that you can check out for each of the category that you are going to choose. After that, you have a description that it explains to you more what you are getting. You're going to put the link of your social media here, the quantity, how many followers you want, for example, and then they are going to show you how much they charge for that. And you're going to notice that they charge really cheap, actually, like from $3 or even less, and so on. So as I said before, we are not here in order to grow our social media platforms. You can do that if you want to, but I'm going to show you how you can make money in passive income. As you can notice up here, they have this affiliate section. So yes, we are going to promote Ember SMM World Panel as an affiliate in order to make money in passive income. So I want you to click on it, and you're going to notice that you're going to find your referral link down here. You can just copy it like this, and then you're going to also notice that they pay 25% commission rate, and also once you reach $10 in your account, you can easily cash out. You can track your registration, referrals, conversion rate, total earnings, available earnings. Right now I say $0 because I just created this account for the purpose of this tutorial, but this will change really soon. So what I highly recommend you do once you get your referral link is, of course, to find a traffic source for this link in order to promote this platform and get paid again and again. But before that, I want to show you that you can go over to bit.ly.com in order to shorten that link. So as you can notice, if you paste your link over here, you're going to see that the name of the website is displayed over here. So it may be obvious for people that you are promoting this website. So just go over to bit.ly, paste the link here and click on the copy button. After that, it's going to get it shortened so you can copy it and start sharing it with people now. So it may grow even the chances of you getting more clicks on your link and therefore more customers and more referrals. So once you get your bit.ly shortened link that contains your affiliate link in it, you need to find people that are going to be interested in growing their social media platforms. What you can do, for example, if you want to find people on YouTube, you can go over to a YouTube channel. You can find, for example, some channels in the gaming niche that are struggling to get some subscribers or views. And anyway, once you open any YouTube channel, you can go over to the about section and you need to scroll in order to find this link section. There you're going to see if they have put their email address or some social media links, and you can even check out the description if they don't have any links here, or the descriptions in the videos. So sometimes people leave their social media platform, social media links in the description of their videos, so you can find them over there and you can refer them over to the platform Amber SMM. You're going to go all over the features that they offer. You're going to mention some of the best features, the one that we talked about before, and then you can just leave your bit.ly shortened link over there, so your affiliate link. Or you can even go over to some Instagram pages that are struggling to grow, over at TikTok to find some content creators over there, and so on. But of course, this is going to take you a little bit of time and effort in order for you to get the desired results. You can even go on Quora, for example. You can search for how to get more followers on TikTok, or for example on Instagram. So you can search for any social media platform and you're going to see that there are a lot of people asking for that kind of question. So you're going to find a lot of people that are already interested in growing. I highly recommend that you filter your searches by past month, so you can find recently people that want to grow on their social media platforms. And of course, you're going to reply to them in the comments. You can say that they can use this tool in order to grow on their social media, if they want more YouTube views, for example, and so on. So you can search for any kind of social media in the search bar over at Quora.com, and for absolutely free. So this is a great opportunity for you to make money, passive income. It depends on you on how much time and effort you want to put on this strategy to get the desired results. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.